In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix an iPhone with a black screen even though it's still on and working. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this issue can be super annoying because you might hear sounds, vibrations, or notifications, but the screen stays completely black and you cannot use your phone. Luckily, there's a super easy fix. What you're going to want to do is quickly press and quickly release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button, and just keep holding that side power button. And what's going to happen is the screen will stay black at first. Don't worry, that is normal, but after about 10 to 20 seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. Whenever you see that Apple logo appear, release that power button and your iPhone should now restart normally and the black screen issue should be fixed. If the Apple logo doesn't appear, plug your iPhone into a charger, let it charge for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that, try the exact same button combination. In most cases, this will fix the problem. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.